Hello friends, let us continue our cartoon bird retopology tutorial. Let us select the loop over here, select edge loop and shift D, duplicate, rotate, Control 7, rotate this way, grab it, yeah, scale it up, rotate, Z, scale it, okay, yeah. Now you can start working on it. Grab it, G, Y, yeah, okay, extrude. Oh, what's happened? Extrude, yeah. Rotate it in that direction. Firstly rotate it in that direction, right? Yeah. Then extrude it, grab it and bring it over here, scale it up a bit. Yeah, we need to adjust the points over here. Okay. Select edge loop. Select edge loop and rotate it Z. Okay. Extrude it. Rotate it. Yeah. Yeah, this point, at this point, yeah, all these points need to be adjusted. This becomes a big problem. Okay, grab it, grab, take this up. Yeah, we need to make some kind of a proper arrangement of the points. Comes this one back, this will be down. Okay, some kind of an order has to be there. Control S, keep saving. Always keep saving. Okay, that's important, right? Need to keep saving always. There is no way of selecting edge tools. Why that menu is not here? Edge loop, extrude. Okay, extrude. Okay. Now here also we need to adjust the points, right? They've gone here and there. Where is that thing gone? Yeah, it's gone inside. I mean, not this one. Is it this one? No, not this one. Select this edge first. Yeah. Yeah, take the vertices that have gone here and there. Okay, need to keep them in order, some kind of an order. Okay, you need to keep the vertices in order, where they go here and there and disturb the whole thing, right? Okay. Yeah. Select all these. Select edge loops. Okay. Extrude. Rotate. Extrude. Yeah, nice. But here again there's some problem with the points going here and there. Okay. Points, by points I mean the vertices going here and there. That's what I mean by points. The vertices going here and there, playing havoc, right? The vertices playing havoc, running here and there. Okay, don't run, please. Please, please, brother, don't run here and there. Brother, please don't run here and there. Okay. Oh God, what is this? What is this indiscipline, brother? Why do you keep running here and there, causing a lot of indiscipline? You vertex brothers. Okay. Select edge loops again. Extrude. Can grab and take it. Yeah. Then I think we can merge it. What do you say? M for merge at center. Yeah. Good. Yeah, you can do one thing over here. This one we can adjust a bit, or maybe this one. No, leave it like that. Okay. Shrink wrap, okay. All these modifiers are over here, right? Right, shrink wrap is here. Suppose we reduce the offset. No, we need not reduce now. When we are actually done with the modeling, then we'll reduce the offset, okay? Otherwise leave it at the high. Subsurf, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine, I think. Control S, keep saving. Always keep saving. Okay. Always keep saving. That's what I tell people. Keep saving. Edge loop. Okay. Let's extrude. Oh, where is it running? Scale it. Yeah. Extrude. grab it, give it some direction. Okay, scale it. I need to adjust the points here, I think. They've gone here and there, okay. Keep running here and there, these points, they're not disciplined at all. They keep snapping here and there, okay. Wherever they get a face, they keep snapping to it. Okay. Yeah. Control S, keep saving. Keep saving. Okay. Keep saving always.